Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm about to show you something that can change the way you make money online. I'm talking about DeepSeek AI, a next-gen AI tool that most people haven't even heard of yet. Now, you might be wondering, can AI actually make me money? And the answer is yes. If you know what you're doing, AI can be your money printing machine. Today I'll walk you through 5 powerful ways to use DeepSeek AI to make serious cash online. Whether you're looking for side income or aiming for $10,000 per month, make sure to stick around till the end because I'm saving the most profitable method for last. And hey, if you love money-making content, hit that like button and subscribe. First things first, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek is an advanced AI model that works like ChatGPT, but with a stronger focus on research, automation, and content generation. It can also write detailed blog posts, essays, and reports, create SEO-optimized content that ranks on Google Analyze market trends, and data for better decision-making, generate scripts for content creators and businesses. And here's the real secret. Businesses are willing to pay you to do these tasks for them. That's where the money comes in. So let's go over the top 5 ways to turn DeepSeek into an income stream. 1. AI-powered freelance writing and research. Now, I know what you're thinking. Freelance writing is competitive. And yeah, it is. But here is the secret. Use DeepSeek AI to generate high-quality articles in minutes. Offer SEO blog posts, research papers, and case studies on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Here's how to get started. 1. Set up an account on Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Create a gig offering high-quality research papers, business articles, or AI-assisted writing. 3. Use DeepSeek to quickly generate structured, data-driven content. 4. Personalize and edit the content to make it unique. 5. Deliver to your client and get paid. Earnings potential $50 to $500 per article, $1,000 plus per month with just a few clients. Selling AI-generated ebooks. The next money-making method? Ebooks. Did you know that Amazon Kindle publishers are making $5,000 to $10,000 per month selling books they don't even write? With DeepSeek AI, you can create an ebook in a few hours instead of months. Here's what to do. 1. Pick a profitable niche: finance, self-improvement, tech, or business. 2. Use DeepSeek to generate a detailed outline. 3. Expand each chapter using AI and add real research. Format and design the book with Canva or Adobe InDesign. 5. Sell it on Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or Payhip. Earnings potential $9.99 per sale. $1,000 plus per month with just a few books. Convert your ebook into an online course and charge $99 to $499 per student. 3. AI-powered copywriting for businesses. If there's one thing businesses will always need, it's copywriting. Companies spend millions on high-converting ads, email sequences, and sales pages. With DeepSeek AI, you can write ad copy for Facebook and Google Ads, create high-converting email sequences, generate sales pages that bring in more customers. How to get started? 1. Sign up for Freelancer, People Per Hour, or Upwork. Create a gig offering AI-powered copywriting services. 3. Use DeepSeek AI to quickly draft persuasive ad copy. 4. Edit and refine the content to make it 100% human-like. 5. Deliver to your client and charge premium rates. Earnings potential $100 to $1,000 per project. $5,000 plus per month as a skilled AI-powered copywriter. AI automation for e-commerce stores. This is a hidden gold mine. Online stores need automation, and DeepSeek AI can help businesses generate product descriptions that convert, create SEO-optimized blog content, automate customer support chatbots. Here's how to make money with this. 1. Find Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce sellers struggling with content. 2. Offer AI-generated product descriptions, FAQs, and blog posts. 3. Use DeepSeek AI to automate content creation. 4. Deliver and charge businesses monthly retainers. Potential $500 to $2,000 per store. $10,000 plus per month with multiple clients. 5. Selling AI-generated stock images and graphics. Now for the most underrated side hustle, selling AI-generated stock images. DeepSeek AI can generate realistic visuals and artwork. You can sell these images on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Etsy, and Gumroad. How to do it? 1. Use DeepSeek AI to generate high-quality images. 2. Upload them to stock photo sites. 3. Earn passive income every time someone downloads an image. Earnings potential: $5 to $100 per image, $1,000 plus per month with a growing portfolio. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make money with DeepSeek AI. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. If this video hits 500 likes, I'll do a deep dive on one of these topics in an upcoming video. So let me know which one you want to see next. Till next time, goodbye.